Be sure to check out our Black Friday sale for the Makers Mob. We got over 80 project plans, tutorials, as well as an awesome engaged online community where you get to access all your favorite makers like Neil Paskin, Frank Howard, Jimmy DeResta, John Peters, myself, Liam Hoffman. Be sure to click the link in the description box for more info on the Makers Mob membership. I'm using U2 fasteners to assemble this cabinet. They're a Canadian company based out of Thunder Bay, Ontario, and they offer screw sizes from anything to 1 inch to 20 inches long, so be sure to keep an eye out for them next time you're at the hardware store. And if you want to see more U2 products in action, give them a follow on Instagram at U2 Fasteners. I don't often use screws, but when I do, I use U2s. And check it out, double feature, dowel storage. Well, that wraps another Samurai build. I hope you enjoyed this video. Huge thank you and shout out to U2 Fasteners for sponsoring this video. If you haven't heard of U2 Fasteners, check them out, guys. Be sure to check them out on Instagram. Bleep, 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 bleep. And it's that time of year. If you're looking for a great gift for a maker friend or loved one, we are hosting our annual Black Friday sale. Click the link in the description box below if you want to get access to 80+ plans, tutorials, an awesome engaged online community full of really qualified woodworkers, not just myself. And you also get access to myself, Neil Paskin, Frank Howard, Jimmy DeResta, Liam Hoffman, John Peters. It's an awesome online community. Be sure to check that out. Link in the description box below. Until the next video, guys. Samurai out.